is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel if you are a subscriber, and if you are new, what are you waiting for? Join the divine crew. Okay, so I don't know how I'm feeling about this angle. It's kind of like a little bit too far but a little bit too close, but anyways, so I'm just coming on here to answer some of the questions you guys have been asking me on my comment section. You guys have asked a multitude of questions, from my apartment videos to my UPS package handler videos, so I'm just going to answer them all right here, right now, one video. So the first question you guys asked me by Seda Bean is, how do you have your own apartment in college? Did the school pay for it? How old were you when you got it? Do you also work? So I got my own apartment before I went to college. So at 18 years old, I went out and I got my own place. After being established in my own crib, I then went on to apply for college, got approved obviously, and then I started to go to school while having my own apartment. I do work. That is how I can afford my own apartment. The school does not pay my apartment at all. I can say the job that I work at, which is UPS, they pay for my full tuition, so I do not have to worry about any school fees or anything like that. I am literally going to school for free, like no joke. Like, check the receipts, like it's free, baby. So y'all better tap in. Another question I have, what is your major? I am majoring in early childhood education. I've always wanted to be a teacher growing up. I've never really seen myself doing anything else other than that. I know a lot of people have been telling me that I look like I would be into the business field, or I don't know, like a social worker or something like that. I don't know. I just love teaching people, especially teaching people what I know, giving you guys information, knowledge, anything of that sort. I'm the one. But yeah, that's my major. Someone asked me, am I single? The ring is not right here, but I'm married, y'all. Sorry about it. If the status changes, I'll let you know. But for now, we're married. I'm married. Someone says, I just need to know, do they give you the hours that you have to work, or you pick your hours? And another thing, do you have lunch breaks? So I'm assuming this was about a UPS video. They give you the hours. They give you a shift that you can work, and within that shift, obviously you do get a break, but the break is only like 10 minutes, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie, it's only a 10-minute break. Unless you work 6 hours, then it will be a 20-minute break. Being that this is a part-time job, or being that I do work a part-time job, you do only get that 10-minute break. But if you are looking to make some more money, work some extra hours, double shift, that is always open. It's always, you are always allowed to do that. Someone asked me, does UPS pay my whole tuition? Again, yes. UPS pays my full tuition. When I say that, I mean I don't have to pay for nothing, not a zip. Now I do have to pay for my books, but they do have something called book reimbursement, to where I get all that book money back. Someone else asked me, how do you balance classes and paying your rent? Now honestly, this is something that has taken a little bit of time for me to handle, but it's not too bad. I mean, since I do work a part-time job, which is only about 5 or 6 hours within the whole day, and then I have set my classes to where once I get off of work, I can still come home and sleep for a good 5 or 6 hours and get up and go to school. I will say, do not try to, if you are looking to pay your own rent and go to school, try to be a part-time student. You don't have to stress and worry and try to be full-time, having 5 or 6 classes in a day, and then you still have to go to work, you know, like, mental thing. Let's Let's be smart about it, okay? So yeah, I do work third shift and I get off work around 3 or 4 a.m. Once I get off of work, I go to sleep. Now, my first semester classes did not start until 2 p.m. But now that it's second semester and I've gotten a little bit used to the schedule, I've set my class at 12 p.m. So my first class is at 12 p.m. Again, I get home around 3:30, 4 o'clock a.m. and I get to sleep for about 4 or 5 hours. Wake up, go to school. After school, I can rest, I can catch up on work, do whatever I need to do until I have to go into work again around 9 or 10 p.m. So yeah, that's pretty much how I balance classes and paying my bills. You just gotta make sure that you are prioritizing both your classwork and making sure you get to work on time, because you need that money for them bills and you need the class for your career, for your future, you know? Someone asked me another question about UPS and it says, when can you be eligible to transfer to another department? So you have to be on the job for at least a year to transfer to a different area, a different department, anything of that sort. Unless it is like a medical condition or, you know, something very serious, they do and they will work with you in getting you switched over somewhere else. This isn't a question, but someone said you're glowing. Oh my God, are you? Thank you. No filter. No filter, no filter. I'm just playing. I'm not playing, but like I'm playing. Someone asked me what are my hours, like what shift do I work? I work third shift, so it's supposed to be between 11 and 4 a.m., but I do go in a little bit earlier to help set up, so it's around 9:30 to about 3:30. Someone else asked me, did I join the union? If you do not know what the union is at UPS, it is basically a group that protects the employees within that job. So yes, I did join the union. It's just really a good backbone to help you keep your job if anything does ever go down regarding attendance, regarding health issues, anything of that nature. Someone asked me, what if I'm 26 with no credit history? They were commenting on my How to Get Your Own Apartment at 18 video. If you are 26 with no credit, no judging, no hating, no nothing. But the same information that I gave to them, I'm going to give to you. Just start. You know, there's no need for you to wait. I'm pretty sure you have been working for a lengthy amount of time since you are 26. So I do know that you will be able to still get your own apartment that you are 26. Just show them pay stubs and you're good to go. Alright, those are pretty much all of the questions you guys asked. Feel free to continue to comment down questions, advice, anything of that nature, because I'm here for you. And I just hope that you'll be here for me. Thank you. If you made it to the end of this video, you are a real one. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. But without further ado, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.